Entry number 53 is Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaman, Camarines Sur Incorporated. Baras Canaman, Camarines Sur. For Commander and Staff, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Mark Aaron Galero for Commander. S1, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Mark Neil Montes. S2, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Ivan Clifford Mirabello. S3, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Mario Reboriano. S4, Midshipwoman, Lieutenant Junior Grade Jezabel Guerina. S5, Midshipwoman, Lieutenant Junior Grade Maria Teresa Enciso. Major Leader, Miss Princess Bam Sarem Riola. Band Leader, Midshipman James Vincent Estrelis. Company Commander, Midshipman Lieutenant Senior Grade Bernardo Acop. Midshipman Lieutenant Senior Grade Joey Kino. Company EXO. First Platoon Leader Boy, Midshipman Lieutenant Senior Grade Ronald Ravanilla. Second Platoon Leader Girl, Midshipwoman Lieutenant Senior Grade Maria Peya Caganda. CAT Facilitator Commander Wendell Boy Buntag, Philippine Navy. Man Advisor Coordinator Mr. Harold Hernandez. Major Trainer Mr. Zeus Enrique Ariola. Bandmaster Trainer Mr. Adrian Arcilla and Mr. Raymond Nino Asido. Entry number 53, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaman, Camarines Sur Incorporated. Baras Canaman, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 53, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaman, Camarines Sur Incorporated, Baras Canaman, Camarines Sur.